on, Chase. I'm coming.
Alert. Space guidance system failure.
I've got to power up the space guidance system. I've got to get out of here.
Uh-oh, there's an open net. The power play is on.
What are you...
Hey, let me out! You're not the boss of me.
I'll leave it with you. You're a smart girl.
Sometime later at the foot of Babel Tower.
Take her to the burning place. Give her the word boss instead of me. I'll burn the girl and your Babel Tower together. How do you like that, your royal pain?
What's that noise?
Whoa! Oh no! Maple, look out! It's coming right at us! And it's on fire!
Tiger bunnies are not fireproof!
Is this the end for Maple the Tiger Bunny and Benjamin the Rim Ranger? Is Oliver the only hope left for Isabella and the Rimverse?
Hey, Smuds! Come at me, bro! Yeah, I can tell. Whoa, my mind is racing. I have thoughts going in all directions. Logos? You mean the ancient king of Eldavar? Oh, so he wants them to always be afraid?
Tough. I could use a short rest. Thank you, God.
Why wouldn't I be alive?
I saw those gnarly purple dudes take you down.
Oh, that? It was no big deal. Whoever designed these robots knew what they were doing. I'm afraid my chances are suboptimal.
You almost got him. But dude, they're nasty. Galaxy gems power the space guidance system, dude. Bro, you're gonna need all of them you can get.
Okay, Sharkaroo, on it!